Good morning, this is Victor at Bourbonnais Motor Cars, Mercedes of Bourbonnais, and today we're going to do the walkthrough of the 2019 GLC 300 4Matic. We're going to go through some of the features, some of the exterior features, and some of the premium options that this model comes with. Now this one is black exterior with a silk beige Mb-Tex interior. If you're not familiar with the Mb-Tex, it's more of a synthetic leather material that they use. We're going to take a look at the outside of the vehicle right now, kind of get a good all-around look. It is a bit cloudy today, so I apologize if it's a little bit gray. As we go around, now this one, it was actually packaged with the LED headlamps and taillights as a premium option, as rear chrome trim on the back end of the truck. Give it a really, really nice luxury look. As far as power folding mirrors go, when you lock the car, you have that option as well. And it has the nice LED headlights. There's the front of the grille here for a bit of a closer look. As you can see, that line goes right through. Give you that really nice day lamp light. And then we'll take a look at the back of the car and we'll open up the trunk to get an idea of cargo space. Of course, power lift gate. Now this one, being a 2019, is a former lease car, so very low mileage, around 12,000 mileage right now. As you can see, really good trunk space in the back here. We have plenty of room underneath, and this is even a locking compartment here. And with all Mercedes, you can either use your key here to close it, or you have right at the top, you have the stop button right up top to close it. We're going to go around to the front and we'll have a seat inside. So here's a good look at the interior of that silk beige Mb-Tex. Now this one, kind of, as you can see, lighter interior, thankfully dark carpets with the light interior. This one has the, what we Mercedes call the natural grain brown ash wood trim. So you can see that runs along the doors, runs along the dashboard and the center console. So very, very nice clean interior. And we'll close it up here. We'll get a good look at the inside of the car. As you can see, that kind of wraps all around, that good pairing with the light trim, the chrome, and then the black. So we'll go ahead and start it up here. So all you do, foot on the brake and you press start. And then your steering wheel goes into place, seat goes into place if you have your memory seat set. Your center console, you have your control unit. Some options which we'll go over in a second. You have your compartment here. As you open it up, you have your cup holders. Place to place your phone. Climate controls going up here, your vents. And then your screen, your control center, where you're going to handle just about everything. Now this one's equipped with heated seats up front. You have multiple units that you can change and control where your seat, from extending the leg rest to the back seat and everything. Mirror controls, door locks, everything here. On your steering wheel, you have plenty of controls for the system, whether it be your phone or whether it be having controls on the main dash here, whether you want to see miles per hour, your efficiency, how the eco is working, and then overall mileage. Now this model seats 5 comfortably, and as you can see, it also has the Mercedes panoramic roof, which goes all the way to the back seat. You can either have it open like that, and it has a power sunshade as well that'll close on both sides. If you want to keep that closed. It's rainy today, so we'll leave it open. It's not too sunny in here. Plenty of room in the back seat. We'll take a look at that in a minute. But you have the compartment for your cup holders. You also have this compartment here. As we look in, we have 2 USBs, SD card. Now this one's equipped with the phone package, which gives you CarPlay, Android Auto as a smartphone integration package. Some of the other little things that this one has. Heated steering wheel, which is kind of nice. your blind spot monitor assist. It also has LED projectors, which we'll show you when we get out of the car. And then the big one, I mean, Burmester audio. So if you're not familiar with Burmester, German manufacturer speakers, very high quality. They run throughout the car, giving you that premium sound that you'd expect with the Mercedes. So as we go through, if you're familiar with the menu, this is kind of what that looks like. If you pull it up here, you have your entire control center, where you can access everything from your phone to if you want to see vehicle settings, everything from, I know this one doesn't have the navigation SD card equipped, but you do have the option of adding that. It's pre-wired. This vehicle was ready for it, so you definitely have the option of navigation. We can order that, but very nice overall. Plenty of space throughout. Your glove box, of course, books, information there. We have all that equipped. Get a good look at the inside here. And then here we'll take a look at the back seat too, give an idea. If you have children, car seats, plenty of space in these. Like I said, they comfortably seat 5. So we'll take a look here. Now my seat, I'm a little bit shorter, so you have a little bit more legroom in the back than normal. But they do even have indentations in the back of the seat to help with that. But plenty of room back here. Comfortably fit up to 2 car seats, maybe somebody in the middle. If not, you have a nice little control arm here. Cup holders in the back seat as well that come right out, and they have a dropping base to hold that cup into place. Compartment in here for phones or any accessories you need to keep in there. And you can see that level of quality still kind of flows through. You have your controls back here. You have the same Burmester tweeter and mid-range speaker in the back seat for that quality to go throughout the whole car. And some climate controls back here for anybody who wants to get a little cool. Now this one is available currently at our location here in Bourbonnais, Illinois. My name's Victor once again. It's a very, very nice car. If you need anything at all, you can reach us at gombob.com. That's Mercedes of Bourbonnais. If you Google Mercedes of Bourbonnais, will come up as well. It's available right now. 12,000 miles or so on this one. Runs about 40,988 listed. It's a certified vehicle, so you have the 23 months remaining on the warranty. You'll also get an added 12 months unlimited mile added warranty on top of that. The vehicle's available today. If you want to give us a call or give me a call directly, again, my name's Victor. Phone number at the store is going to be 815-933-2100. I thank everybody for watching. We'll hopefully do more of these walkarounds, more of these tutorials, more of these features as we get newer cars and go through our inventory. They can always be requested. It's something we do for every customer that would like it. If it helps you make the decision, we definitely want to help you get your next vehicle. Thanks everybody, have a great day.